Hey, it says what? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I have a quick update on the bag I revealed in my last video. I was able to adjust the strap. It used to be attached up here and I was able to move it down here. One side I was able to do in like 30 seconds. The other side took me like an hour, and it was a it hurt like a I need to cool down.
A few minutes later.
And then after I had it back on finally, I realized I had forgotten to put this strap keeper over this end, so I had to take it apart and do the whole thing again. And I'm not gonna mess with this part up here. I just did it on the side. So now I can sling it over my shoulder. A few months ago, I bought this really cute Mummy Rexy bag charm from Coach. It was a collaboration Coach did with Michael B. Jordan. You know, it's got Rexy, mummified. It's in this dark metal, gunmetal or black, I'm not sure. Has a tiny Coach hang tag, if you can see that. I just thought it was so cute. But I didn't really have a bag in mind that I wanted to use this with. This is the way it attaches, so it's easy. I planned on using it as a bag charm. I think it's technically a keychain. I didn't really have a bag in mind when I bought it. So maybe you can help me choose. The first one I thought of is my beautiful Dooney & Bourke smooth leather Mackenzie Hobo. This is in the color Ivy. So I'll put the bag charm on it. The hardware doesn't match, but I don't mind that. This bag doesn't have a lot of hardware. Maybe it would look better on the side away from the tassel. Let me know what you think. I moved the bag charm back to this side and I unzipped it. 9 times out of 10 I carry my bag unzipped anyway. I kind of like how that looks. This bag was a gift from a friend a few years ago, and it's one of my favorites. The next one I thought I would try is my Florentine saddlebag in the color black. This I bought off of a Facebook buy, sell, and trade group from my good friend here on YouTube, Poke70. She was kind enough to sell it to me for a great price. Dooney brought these back last year or the year before. This is an older bag, has a large pocket in the back that has a snap closure, or you know, a closure. It has 2 pockets in the front. It's kind of hard to see in this colorway. And then a bright red interior. You all are probably familiar with this bag. So about the only place I can attach it is on the side here, unless I get creative somehow. But I like how it looks with the black. The pop of green is nice. This way you could see Rexy when I'm carrying it. The last bag I thought I would try it on is this Dooney & Bourke Janine satchel. It's in the color Kelly Green. It's made of Saffiano leather and it has this retro embossed pattern. It says Dooney & Bourke all over it. How do you like that? Is that too much of a pattern contrast? I like the colors. I'm just not sure if the Rexy goes with the retro pattern. Let me know what you think. Please comment down below. If you have questions about any of the bags that I showed today, just let me know. I can give you dimensions or what I think about the bags. Take care, everyone.
I need to cool down.